Hi, I'm George Bigger. Everything I've ever built or used or studied or learned has come with some kind of problem, but they seldom came with some kind of problem-solving tool. And we don't tend to ask for a second opinion. Instead, we're just resistant because, instead of finding the opportunity that we could have found if we'd all just looked at the root cause. So as I began to seek better answers, I realized I had to ask better questions. And that led me to 4 questions that I now call Ask For. To see if they work, I applied them to the issue of flooding and found that while water is a problem, it could be used as a resource, a solution. So I kept asking those same 4 questions to look for other answers, like a container system, and I found a honeycomb. But how would it stack up as a defense structure? Well, what if I just inserted diamond-shaped tubes into those diamond-shaped voids that were already there, already visible between each layer, and then placed the ballast into those standing vertical columns? Turns out, all I had to do was use biomimicry to take nature to the next level. They can be filled with almost any natural occurring ballast, like sand or soil or gravel, and the system can be made from a variety of materials. And this flexible civil construction system can form massive structures that offer a defense against the forces of nature. It can be used from mountain to seashore to protect lives and property, from homeowner landscaping to highway infrastructure, from rock slide prevention to forest fire reclamation, from dockside bulkhead to shoreline protection. Or it can be placed offshore to defend against storm surge and for underwater habitat. So I was glad when I heard someone asking for some kind of creative solution to something like a seawall, because that's just one of the many uses of my patent. ConstruKs offers a new kind of civil construction system, and it demonstrates a way to use almost any natural material as a natural defense against natural disasters. It could become a new standard for solving land-water issues. It can also provide jobs and economic development. Environmentally, it can help us because we can take all that plastic waste from our oceans and turn it into useful ConstruKs units. ConstruKs is just the first example of one answer to only one common problem. Answers that could create a shared benefit for all of us if we just ask for it together. Yes, while it's true that one person may not have the best answer, it's true that each of us can ask, what's the best question? Like that one. And perhaps all we have to do to thrive and survive is just look for the root cause and learn from each other. Then, because we have found similar answers and are now sharing a common purpose, we can cooperate by taking individual responsibility for our mutual benefit, and the world we live in can get better and better for everyone and for our environment as we take it to the next level together. ConstruKs could change the face of the earth for good.